Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream the easy way. First, gather your essential ingredients and tools. You'll need 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Remember to chill your mixing bowl and whisk for about 15 minutes beforehand. This helps the cream whip up beautifully and quickly. Now let's get to the fun part, whipping. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the chilled bowl. Begin whipping on a low speed for about 30 seconds to avoid any splattering. Then, gradually increase your mixer speed to medium-high. Continue whipping for approximately 3 minutes or until you see lovely soft peaks forming. Be careful not to overwhip or you'll end up with butter. Once your cream reaches soft peaks, it's time to add the flavor. Gently fold in your 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Powdered sugar is ideal because it dissolves smoothly, ensuring a silky texture without any grittiness. Feel free to adjust the sweetness to your liking, and don't hesitate to experiment with other extracts for unique flavor profiles. Your delicious homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately over your favorite desserts like fresh berries, pies, or hot chocolate. If you happen to have any leftovers, simply transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for about 2 to 3 days. A quick re-whisk might be needed if it separates slightly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.